Welcome. If you want to manage the app permissions on your Huawei P40 Lite, the first thing is just to move to the settings. And right now we have to go to the apps, permissions, and there we can go for the location. And we can turn on location on the health application and maybe in the browser. And this is how it looks. You can also change it for the contacts, calendar, wherever you want and wherever is available on this list. So this is how it looks on the Huawei P40 Lite. Thank you for the watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.